So here guys, I have the wrapper for the bride, then I have for the little bride. Okay, here is her bag, her purse, so the horse stay, her complete bead set for neck, her hand beads, then the stuff I'm going to be needing for her hair, her kuku, her beaded hair. So that's for the little groom. Here's for the groom, the groom's cap, beads, then the groom's shoe. So here's for the little bride, okay, the bead for the little bride and all that. So that is it guys. I'll carry you guys along. I'm going to be showing you guys the bride later on. All right, so all right guys, I'll see you all later. Bye bye.
Welcome to Stacy's Package. Welcome to Stacy's Package. Tell them what.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first day visiting my channel, my name is Stacy. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber living in Spain. Oh guys, don't mind me, I'm just trying to be like Vivian TV, so I just say okay, let me mimic her. But I'm going to do a video where I will mimic Vivian's TV. I know she's going to watch this video and she will laugh so hard. Okay guys, so today, as you can see guys, here I have my beautiful bride and she's also my friend and a sister. Okay guys, so the beaded hair I did for her, it wasn't really much because her hair guys, it was short. So the hair, she cut her hair, the hair was really low. So the bead I did on her head, I didn't really do much, or else the whole thing would just fall out, you understand. So I had to just place a few beads and all that. But the most important thing was that we were able to do it and she carried her okuku, a beaded hair. So that was it. So for the makeup guys, as you can see, I've already used foundation on her face, and the foundation I use for this look guys is classic. Yes, I use a classic. Okay, so I think I mixed it with I mixed classic and Zaron together to achieve this, to achieve a shade. Okay, so the next step guys, then I'm using my Elegare concealer to highlight, okay, the areas that I will be baking later. So that's it guys. Then for her beaded hair guys, like I said before, I didn't do much on the beaded hair, so we didn't want something that when she's dancing, because this my girlfriend, she can dance for Africa. Okay guys, maybe at the end of this video you will see when she was shaking her bum bum. She was really rocking it and she enjoyed her day. Okay, so that's for that. So the next step guys, I'm just doing cream contouring. So I've already done the contour and all that. So now I'm just baking the area I highlighted earlier. So when I'm done baking, then I'm just going to use dry contour and all that. They had the blush. So guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Okay, I'll see you all later.
Welcome to Stacy's Package. Welcome to Stacy's Package. Tell them what. Welcome to Stacy's Package. Welcome to Stacy's Package. Welcome to Stacy's Package. Welcome to Stacy's Package. Tell them what. them boy. Tell them boy. Tell them boy. Tell them boy.
So guys, as you can see, I'm done with the brow. So guys, in this look or in this tutorial, you can see that I didn't really do that kind of dark brow for her. I did a light brows for her. So for the eyeshadow, guys, I used the Champagne Gold eyeshadow for the inner corner and both the middle of the eyeshadow, but at the outer corner I just use a dark brown and a little touch of black to bring it out. Okay, that was what I used at the outer corner of the eyeshadow. So basically it was 3 colors I used for the eyeshadow. I first of all used kind of peach color, okay, then I later added the Champagne Gold, then brown and the black. So that's it for the eyeshadow. So later guys, I'm just going to move to the next step. Then I'm going to be using the bronzer first of all when I'm done doing the eyeshadow. So I applied the false lashes. So the false lashes I used, guys, I didn't use that kind of false lashes that is just, I don't know how to say that, it's really obvious when you put it on your eyes, it looks somehow. So I don't, if you'll be watching my videos, I'm not really that kind of person that use that bold lashes. I don't like it for myself and I don't like it for my clients. But if at the time any client want that kind of bold lashes, my dear, if the client has that lashes, I would be glad to use it for that client. But for me, I don't buy it and I don't like it. I don't really know why. Thank God that for the client I've been working with, they've not really demanded for that kind of I don't know how to call it, but that's it. There are some people they like bold lashes, but for me, I don't like working with bold lashes. Okay, so I like it natural. When you place your eyelashes, you still be looking all natural, not like see if you have umbrella on your eye. Okay, so that's for that. All right guys, so the next step right now, I'm just applying a bronzer. So when I'm done, then I'm just going to move right to do the lips, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. For me, I enjoyed it. Okay, I enjoyed working with her and I enjoyed doing everything about this makeup and the beaded hair. All right guys, so stay tuned. You can see my client, she's laughing. It was her day and she was so happy. So all right guys, I will see you all later. I don't know what to say. I beg, it's not easy to do voiceover. Sometimes I think, I don't know, if you're a makeup artist, just let me know in the comment section, or even if you're not a makeup artist, like when you're doing a voiceover on your video, it kind of it just you just be going crazy like when you're doing the voiceover. Sometimes I prefer a video, you just talk like in that video instead of when you are editing and you're doing voiceover. Sometimes you just be saying crazy stuff, you have to just be repeating yourself or redoing the voiceover and all that. I don't know if it happens to you guys also. So but anyway, we move. So I'll see you all later.
Tell them boy. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Tell them boy. Welcome to Stacy's Sparkles. Sparkles. Welcome to Stacy Sparkles. Tell them boy.
God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Allah, honor, let you make me a celebrant of Power like a turkey. Let me women want turkey. Hey, did it? Ọ̀pá ẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ dábàá nàbí. Ọ̀rẹ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ dábàá nàbí. Ìyẹn wà turkey. Yeah, no, it's not dancing on track, hey, no.
You dey jealous?
Yes. Ìwà rẹ̀ jẹ́ náà ń sọ ìgbé náà. Esa association. Esa èké náà ṣèké náà rán ẹ́. Esa oyè. Esa oyè. Àlẹ́ esa no dey carry last. Any other way Igboria is a patrolizing and a opposing. Abeg, make una no say this one say Esa association, Esa people, any Esa, you know say you be Esa. Let them dey